Ukusiza abantu kuyipassion kimi. Ngiyakuthanda. Ngeke nguyeke futhi ukukhathalela abantu. Ngiyabonga nje nakakhulu ukuthola incomo ama-admirations azekimi eqhamuka kubantu. Abanye bengi-DM, abanye bengi-inboxa, abanye bengi-WhatsApp. Ukuthi impilo yabo have changed for the better. Through me. Mina I'm just a hollow bamboo. There is allowing the universe to express itself through me. The universe is using me to help yourself wena ukuthi uzisize. So ngiyabonga kakhulu ke ngalokho kokushintsha kwendlela yokucabanga eyokuzizwa nangendlela yokwenza. Well ke uyabona indlela esiconditioneke ngayo as a society. Ithi vuka, hamba uyobangena, vuka uzame, do something, try something out, yes. Uzoyithola kanjani uhlezi ekhoneni. And the human design le mina engirida ama chart ayo iyakuphika lokho because when you are an individual and you have a specific way of moving in this life, we are only talking about two things la. Sikhuluma ngestrategy ne-authority kuphela kahle kahle. How do you move in life? How do you take decisions in life? That's what we are talking about. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Buka ke ngikukhombisa ukuthi lento isebenza kanjani. Noma lalela ngutshela isebenza kanjani. Yabona njengoba sibaningi kangaka nje. Sine energy yokwenza izinto esizithandayo. Yes, lokho kusho ukuthi silo luhlobo ekuthola ngama generators. Phela ukuthi senze into esingayithandi. Abanye iningi lethu ba frustrated vele. Ngobani? We don't respond thina. We initiate things out of our minds ukuthi yini right for us. Yabo, as a respond. Ngoba sibambe lento ethi isikhathi siyahamba kusho ingqondo yakho. Ithi isikhathi siyahamba, do something. We don't take decisions out of mind. We don't use that to take decisions. We don't use illogical explanation to pull the trigger. Wakwazizwa ubona ukuthi lento i-right for abantu mabeyenza and they are doing it, but I don't feel like doing it. It makes sense to do it, but I don't have energy for it. That's what you should listen to. And people, they tend to say, "Where uzosala, where yabona thina, where this and that." Guys, you don't listen to the mind. You don't listen to the conditioning of the people. You listen to your energy, your gut. How do I feel about this? You don't just wake up and go out and start the business and like just waste your energy out there because to do something. Akubengamelanga ngabe ufaka u80% we-effort ukuthola u20% wama results. Abengamelanga kushuthi lento yenzayo ayikho right for wena. Bese umbuzo uthi uyiqale kanjani? Did you respond outside of yourself now? Have you ever seen something, whether you listen or you see or you smell or you taste, outside of you there should be an external stimuli, a stimulator, something kuwena ezokwenza igut yakho ukuthi respond. It's I like this. That's what should happen. Things let things come to you, and when you respond to them. If there is nothing to respond to, just go on with your life, day-to-day activities, use your energy to whatever you like on that particular time. There's nothing happening. Don't go out there and push to the wrong direction and push the wrong things. Kuyo mase kufika kwakho kumele kuze kuwena awusenayo energy. One, awusenayo enthusiasm wokuthi kwakona kulunga yini. Two, usune burnout, awusekho energized because you've been wasting your energy all over the show. Yabo? Your energy has been all over the place. Ngoba kuthiwani? Go, try something. yabo wena okwakho ukuvula amehlo be aware khona uzoyizwa lento lengikhuluma ngayo iresponda kuwena ukuthi yes I like that one hayi ukuthi uvumelana nomqondo wakho ukutshela ukuthi I think you should be doing this, I think you should be starting this, I think you are in it, but if you are checking with your levels, no, yes, I really don't love that. It's really don't within my capacity to do it. It's just a matter of time ukuthi ube frustrated nje. That's what I'm talking about if I'm talking about the response. Impilo yakho lapho iyaqala ibe ngazuthi kahle you meant to be lazy kahle. I don't know whether lazy is the correct term though, but to be passive nyana. To be passive. Why I'm talking like this? Because I know most of the people are generators, are here to use their energy to the correct things that they love. That's why I'm talking like this, because for manifestors it's a different case. It's only one type okungama manifestors ekuthiwa wona they don't wait, they initiate. All of us ekuthiwa we need to wait. All of us. Projector, you need to wait for an invitation. And the projector, when we are here to know more, to have sufficient information to equip yourself for you to get some invitation. Kodwa umthola umuntu engazi fokon kodwa umthola ukuthi usefuna ikhundla ephezulu. Akazi fokon kodwa usefuna invitation yokuthi ayokwenza something. Akazi lutho kodwa ufuna ukuba into lapha phezulu ekhekheni. Kodwa ithi into as a projector, ithi you have to know deep, you have to know more, you have to be on the know about what you love, so that you'll attract invitations and go out there. When okwakho is to be able to see those invitations. You are surely energy yakho knows exactly, people they know ukuthi you are in the know ngalezi zinto lezi. Kodwa umuntu ojumpayo into ye capability ukuthi ucapable yini uyayazi into afuna kuba phambili uyaforce azi lutho ngale yonto kodwa uyaforce ufuna kuba phambili ufuna give ama directions ufuna ukunika ama directive kade akazi lutho akayinikanga isikhathi sokuthi ngeke uzukwazi ukuyinika isikhathi uzobe on the know about things that you don't love. Be honest with yourself. You are not here for money. That's not what you are here for. That is an artifact that comes after. It's a nourishment. Okay, if you don't want to listen to that, keep on pushing, and we wish you all the best. Because by the time you are pushing towards the wrong direction, you are pushing, you are trying the wrong things at the right time, or you are trying the right things at the wrong time, or you are trying the wrong things at the wrong time. It's just a mess. You are frustrated. We just wish you all the best. That is a strategy. Wait and respond for you as a generator. Ikhona yini into ekufuna ukuthi ngiresponde kuyona? Khona into initiatekile ngase ngilalela lawo ma gut feeling ngathi noma angakakhuluma ukuthi wena ithi gut yakho ithi wena kodwa bese uthi for the sake of people. Angakakhuluma lokho ukuthi wena ukwazi ukuthi uvumelane nezinto ozizwayo on an energetic level ukuthi they are not yours. Angakakhuluma lokho ngoba very surely you are going to land to the different destiny. I-authority yakho yini? Akona umqondo wakho. Umqondo wakho awazi nanokuthi kuzokwenzakalani. Yabona manje mawuqeda ubuka le video awazi umqondo wakho ukuthi what is going to happen to you. Awazi, literally awazi. But ucabanga ukuthi uyazi. How can umqondo wakho take the right decisions for you ekumele ukuthi abe akuthatha kubeke endaweni ekumele ukuthi ube kuzona experience impilo ngendlela ekumele uzo experience ngayo la emhlabeni? Awazi lutho umqondo. I-intelligence esemzimbeni wakhe eyazi even 20 years from now ukuthi wena where should you be, because unento ekuthiwa i-magnetic monopole ela kuwe esemzimbeni hayi emqondweni. Umqondo angisho ukuthi umqondo wena idludlutheka ngathi uthi inkuku enqunywa ikhanda. Analyzer, thatha information, but to pull the trigger, consult with your internal authority. How do I feel about this? Your gut feelings. Uma you emotional generator, wait for emotional clarity. Simple.